Okay, everyone, never ever tamper with electrical outlets. These things are not toys. Only put plugs in these things, but never a pencil, never anything metal, never your fingers, never pour water on them, because water and electricity don't mix. If you tamper with this, then you will be dead. There is no question about it that you will be dead if you tamper with electrical outlets. So do not ever tamper with electrical outlets. These things are certainly not toys. Because electricity is very dangerous. It can shock you, and it can start a fire in your house. So do not mess with these things, or else you will be dead. And I don't want that to happen to me. I don't want that to happen to anyone, so never ever mess with electrical outlets. Bye.